A great deal of work remains before the Senate in the coming days. Bipartisan discussions continue on a variety of important issues, including immigration, border security, disaster relief, health care, and funding for our armed forces. With our February the 8th deadline fast approaching, it is vital that we continue these serious and constructive talks. Last week, the administration provided its framework for immigration legislation. As I noted, it builds upon the 4 pillars of reform that the President has consistently put forth and indicates what is necessary for him to sign a bill into law. As discussions continue in the Senate on the subject of immigration, members on both sides of the aisle should look to this framework as they work toward an agreement. The President's proposal has received praise as a serious effort to solve some of the problems with our broken immigration system. Not surprisingly, with a subject this complicated, it's also received criticism on both the right and the left. Constructive critiques are one thing, but the type of irresponsible racial invective used yet again on this subject by the Democratic leader of the House is decidedly unhelpful. These comments are precisely the kind of divisive partisanship that can dim the prospects that a bipartisan compromise could become law. The American people elected us to legislate, not to trade insults, to resolve President Obama's unlawfully established DACA program and other important issues in immigration. I'd urge my Democratic colleagues to put serious good faith discussions ahead of cheap partisan point scoring.